Hi, good morning. I'm Kristin Lee, and I'm with the Library Foundation Board and have been for about 8 years. And I wanted to tell you my experiences with summer reading. I love the summer reading program, and it's mainly because of my memories with my kids. And when we would come and do summer reading, they just loved it. We'd take home stacks of books, we'd go through them, we'd bring them back, and we'd do stacks of books again. And it was just such an amazing experience for them and for me as a mom. And I really want to point out one thing, is the library has always been cutting edge. And back in the day when my kids were doing summer reading, they would come and play video games on the computer. Today, the library is still cutting edge with technology, with the internet, with periodicals. They have done a fabulous job of keeping up. They're the center of this community as far as keeping up with technology, and it's just been amazing. So what a great way to continue what goes on in the schools during the summer and then back to the school again. So I just encourage you, sign up for summer reading, be a part of it, be a part of your community library, and we just can't thank you enough. Thanks.